Hi, my name is Donna, and I'm a mentor. I'm going to show you how to achieve this easy breezy look that's great for summer, especially travel. So first, I'm going to pack Queen Sugar into the crease of my eyes. I just love how this is very warm, and it just adds a little bit of dimension to the look. Make sure that you blend it well. And then next, I'm going to use First Date on the inside of my lids. And this is just to brighten up my face. It's great for summer. I love using warm gold tones in the summertime. Just add a little spark of brightness to my face. And because it's summer, we're just keeping it real simple with 2 eyeshadow shades because no one wants to spend all day working on their face when it's hot outside. Next, I'm going to add the foundation in D10 all over my face. And this just matches my skin tone really well. It's super blendable, easily melts into your skin, and just gives you a natural finish so it doesn't look like you have a ton of makeup on. And that's one thing that I always look for with summer makeup is something that I can wear that won't look like my face is about to melt off. This definitely does the job. So you want to make sure that you blend it all in very well. Don't forget your neck. It's nothing worse than having a line of demarcation for your foundation. And then next I'm going to add T30 on all the high points of my face, which includes the bridge of my nose, center of my forehead, under my eyes for a little bit of a concealing effect, and a touch on my chin. And you also want to make sure that you blend this well, but these foundations are very easily blendable. And it's nothing too dramatic, it looks very natural. Again, I think that's what's great for summer looks, especially when you're traveling, is looks that are effortless but still make you look good. I don't like to spend more than 5 to 10 minutes doing my makeup when I'm somewhere awesome that I want to just go out and explore. So off camera, I set my face with some powder, and this is what it's looking like now. I love it. And for my lips, I'm going to use my favorite nude lipstick of all time, which is the Peach Please. I just love how it matches my skin tone, or it goes with my skin tone, I should say. I've never had a nude that I didn't have to mix with other colors, and it just looks really natural. And that's definitely the look that I like to go for when I'm not wearing a lot of makeup. And Peach Please is one of the shades from their Summer Lip Shade collection.